This is a proper cold startup on the Nissan GTR. We gotta turn this all the way up. Look at this guy, ready to tackle the day.
This sounds good and all, but do you want to hear an American V8? Yes.
Honestly, sounds pretty good.
Chirping.
Are they?
Chirp? Do they?
I can't hear him chirp. I hear him singing the Star Spangled Banner though. Oh, that was a one-take wonder. Ooh, hot chili dog, it is early and it is cold, but ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. So in 2 minutes, we're headed northbound to meet some very, very, very important people, and nobody in my crew except for Baby Burlacker is here, including my neighbor who's right there. Oh, actually on that bombshell, he's actually right here. So we're headed northbound for some very, very minor modifications to the Raptor. Now, before we get started on today's crazy adventure, I want to thank today's amazing video sponsor, Raid Shadow Legends. Guys, Raid is super fun to play. You can play anytime, anywhere. It's free to play on both mobile and desktop. There's 10 crazy challenging dungeons to conquer, each with a terrifying boss to beat. Only those with the best strategy and skill set are going to be able to claim victory. There's also a really awesome storyline that spans across 12 different locations with 3 different difficulty levels to compete on. There's 13 different factions to build champions from. Raid truly has a faction for you, no matter what you like. There are 460 unique and powerful champions to collect, and with over 200,000 active clans, there's plenty of action for you and your friends. Right now, 25 million people are competing worldwide. There truly is an infinite number of ways to play Raid Shadow Legends with all the different customizations and strategies. Now, my favorite part of Raid Shadow Legends is definitely the PvP. I love the arena aspect of the game. Being able to compete against 25 million players from around the world, 200,000 clans trying to climb the leaderboard to be #1. And last month, Raid released their biggest update ever. They added the new Doom Tower with over 120 floors of secret challenging rooms and 12 ridiculously cool bosses to challenge. Guys, check out the link in the description below to download Raid for free. And if you're a new player, you'll get the super special champion Bulwark, 50 gems, an XP booster, some energy refills, and even an ancient shard as soon as you get in the game. All of those cool bonuses will be right here waiting for you when you start playing the game. Now remember guys, the rewards will only be in your inbox for the next 30 days, so you're gonna wanna get them before they're gone, because when they're gone, they're gone. And it's really just that easy. Just check out the link in the description below to download Raid Shadow Legends for free. I'll see you out there. Look at this guy waving me in. Oh bro, no. I don't need to see the bombs. Yeah, I see him, it's early.
Right here, I almost stepped in it.
Well, get out of the yard.
You're not done.
There were so many, I couldn't get him with one bag, bro.
Why? Whoa. Oh my God.
Murphy, what's up, dude? So unfortunately, Murphy is not mine, but where you going, bud? This is your moment. Johnny, what are we doing today?
Secret location, secret activity, secret guests.
Yeah, you got all the energy, bud. Why is he so hyped up? Look at these guys. Wait, that's why you guys are late from Taco Bell? Oh, that's McDonald's.
Hey,
is that for everybody?
That guy. It's for that guy.
It's okay.
Wait,
they brought the food. We're good.
You traffic cone Malone got that for Baby Burlacker?
Former traffic cone Malone, if you didn't know.
Oh, that's right.
Ended up in a ditch.
That's
yeah, it's gone.
Right. Traffic cone Malone. There's a reason Luke gets chauffeured everywhere. Because, yeah.
Hey,
anyways, it's a joke that never gets old. Good morning to those people right there. Go. Oh, little morning shake and bake for the viewers. Go. Yeah. Oh, goodness. They have like their own personal tunnel. I don't know if I was supposed to do that. Oh, you see, it is a beautiful day here in Utah. Oh my gosh. Check that out. That is so sick. Goodness. What's up, dude? We got the 6x6 on tracks also. This is the coolest truck I have ever seen in my entire life. It's a 550 6x6 on winter tracks. Check this out. So they're actually selling this right now for $225,000. What do you guys think? We definitely need to get winter tracks for my 6x6 Gladiator. The Gladiator's at the body shop. It is like in motion right now. It's gonna be done sooner than you think. This is the most ridiculous place I have ever been. They have a long travel suspension, AMC Eagle. This is what we need, boys. I think we need an off-road supercar coming to the channel very, very soon. Burlack, what do you think?
Eagles chirping earlier.
Oh, here we go. This guy is always chirping. No way. Please tell me that thing's gonna work right now.
She's dead, man. She's
what?
dead.
It's a wheelchair on tracks. On Polaris tracks. That is amazing. This AMC Eagle is like the coolest thing I have ever seen. I really want to build an off-road supercar, but what car do we do? Obviously, I'm a Lambo fanboy. BS for Build is building his Jumpicon based off a Lamborghini Huracan. Do we do something like that? Do we do a Gallardo? Do we do a Ferrari? what car should we do? I'm serious too. Like, I'm not stringing you guys along. I want to build an off-road supercar. A couple other considerations. What if we did a wide-body Supra, but then turn it into an off-road machine? The only problem with the Supra though is that it's rear-wheel drive. We are living a day in the life of the Diesel brothers. We got the track Shelby Raptor with the 6x6 450. Is that not the coolest thing you have ever seen? Are you kidding me? So you see that snow-capped mountain in the background? That is where we are headed. In that and the Raptor. Look at that combination right there. Could you imagine if you were in the oncoming traffic and you saw that? Today might be one of those days where we're back home at 3 p.m. enjoying Texas Roadhouse on a top sirloin. It also could be the kind of day that could be a long day. Whoa, 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 Johnny!
I've unloaded a trailer before.
Wow.
I've got a razor.
Look at this guy, industrial. Are those Carhartts? Oh my God. I didn't realize those tracks could go so fast. Wow. Okay, so we are headed that way into the Utah Abyss. There's like a weather station at 12,000 feet. That's the goal. So crazy. Yeah. Seems about right. Yeah, kind of expected that. This is just another day in the life of Dave Sparks. What are you doing right now?
I'm not sliding backwards down the mountain again.
Wait, did that happen?
Bro, there's an ice rink up here.
Yeah, whoa, bro.
Bro, trust me, you're gonna be glad we put these in, because last time I slid 300 yards backwards down the mountain, did a 180, drove it out like a boss, but it was like so
okay,
close.
so a quick FYI, the left driver track has a TPMS light. Was that your line, Burlacker?
That was my line.
I'm stealing your material. It's okay. You'll have another line later. I promise. You see how excited he got? You can see that in his eyes and his soul.
It was more so
Happy Burlacker, the best iteration of the Burlacker. They're sliding. They're shaking and baking. Burlacker, don't you vomit in this truck.
They
almost lost Murphy up there.
There's two Murphys in today's video. That cute, adorable puppy, and then Murphy's also in the back of that truck holding the camera. Okay, we're icing.
He's sliding backwards.
Okay, he's sliding back. He's sliding. He's not even trying. Okay, this is gonna. He's coming faster. This is
sliding.
Wow. Wow. He's gonna slide right into.
Bro,
This is.
my heart is pounding.
Are you stopping?
Oh, geez.
Can you
We're
stop?
Good, we're good.
Wow.
He should be up on the side.
That was terrifying.
Hey, by the way, did you know? Oh, your left rear TPMS tire. It's low.
Thanks, bro. You got your line. He got his line. You don't have your seatbelt on. Johnny, what is going on? None of you guys had your seatbelts on.
I was filming for you. I needed to be agile.
Are you kidding me?
Wow.
Really?
Wow.
Your mothers would all be disappointed in you.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Don't go off. I don't want to go off. Oh, my goodness.
Oh my gosh.
Yep. Keep it going. Keep it going.
Oh, no. No.
Okay.
No. Okay.
We're sliding. We're sliding. He's coming backwards. Okay.
Oh no. Oh
Okay,
gosh.
we are
Oh gosh. We are.
sliding. Camera. No. You're going in the rocks. You're good.
Yeah. No. I want to go into the rocks. I don't want to go down the ravine. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Oh geez. Oh geez. I don't know what to do.
Okay.
I do not want to.
This is windows up.
Oh my gosh.
He's doing the 180. That's my move. That's
What?
your move.
What?
I don't understand what's funny about this.
I am mentally screaming inside my soul right now.
Do we get out?
What do we do?
Can I get out? I'm getting out.
Right now. What did you? Where did you bring us?
Oh, well, I'm gonna live. I know that much. This is. Wow. Wow. I want to go film James, but I can't. I literally can't get over there. Look at that.
Yeah.
Jeez.
See ya.
See ya. Are you?
Never mind. I got it.
You're going off again. There's a reason I jumped out of that vehicle immediately, because it was precarious.
Views on views.
Views on views. That Raptor is going down there.
Oh, you're good. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh. Are you kidding me?
Oh no!
Okay.
I don't even think Stefan realizes what is going on right now. There's a link to his Instagram below. A true hero right now.
Link to the GoFundMe for Stefan's funeral.
Jeez. Oh goodness! Oh, whoa! No! Oh, there it goes! happened? Oh, goodness.
I'm getting pelted with snow. Totally worth it. That's so good.
Get it? Get it? He's climbing sideways up the mountain, and so are we. Wait a second, is this happening? Hey, Murph, shut the door. See you guys later. Choo-choo. What's going on? What's happening, Dave?
Happening.
The 6x6 is being abandoned.
Yeah, okay, rub it in.
Raptor Life Eco Boost, baby. This is legitimately insane. We are going where no Raptor has ever gone or should ever go. These snow drifts are crazy. If we get stuck, the Raptor's stuck here all winter, like legitimately. This truck has been through so much. Like, look at all of these icicles right here. My transmission, maybe RIP, hopefully it gets us down. That's crazy. Whoa. I don't know, guys. I have a lot of ideas circulating in my mind right now. This is cool on a Shelby Raptor. We have a Lamborghini, we got a Bugatti. I don't know, coming to the vlog maybe sooner than you think. Wow. Dave just said he has an idea.
I got an idea. I mean, what's better than a Raptor on tracks?
A Lambo.
A Lambo on tracks. So here's what you guys are gonna do. You're gonna do us a favor. You're going to like this video. You're gonna comment below and tell us that you want to see the Lambo on tracks. But here's what you have to do. You have to comment on Stradman's video and on the video on my channel. Subscribe to my channel. And if you guys get enough hype going, we will put tracks on Stradman's Lambo. And guess who's gonna drive? Not that guy.
Whoa, 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 no. That is not part of the deal. That is not in the fine print. No. If we do that, you're gonna install them. I'm gonna be driving.
Take a minute, just look at this commercial. Look at this, right? Just look at this moment, right?
This is gorgeous.
Are you
Two
showing us
gorgeous individuals. No, they're looking at us. We're the gorgeous ones.
That's true, that is true.
The view is pretty, but like, this is 101. Just like that, boys, we survived. Not really, because we still have like 3,000 feet to drop. And as you guys know, 90% of deaths are on descent. Yeah. I think I might actually have you drive my truck that icy section.
You know what?
Is that okay?
Yeah, I'm probably gonna do that for you just for the sake of my tracks.
I am true. I'm man enough to admit I am terrified. That was terrifying.
Especially where it was warm today and now it's cold.
Exactly.
It's gonna be worse. Yeah, buckle up.
We definitely need a set of tracks. Obviously, these are illegal to drive on the public road, and really, you can only do about 20, 25 miles per hour safely, but they found these for $10,000. Retail, they're more like 30,000. The 6x6, probably like 40, 50, I'm not sure, but we need tracks.
We're hustling. Oh, geez, trying to get the shot. Look how slippery this is. This is pure ice. Whoa, ow.
You went down hard.
Did James make it?
Oh, painful.
That's a lot of rocks.
It didn't look that fun.
Remember how we got out so we wouldn't die?
Yeah.
Oh, here you go. Come, Daddy. And Heavy D is here to save the day, bro.
Hey, or wad up the truck.
Dude.
One of the two.
Best of luck. I don't know what else to say. It's so sketchy. Yeah, here we go. Like a beast, no big deal. Just cruising. He's making it look easy. He's making me look bad. Oh, you can see that front one? Oh no, oh geez, oh my gosh. Next time you guys see tracks on one of my cars, it might have a V12, maybe. It might have a W16. Whoa, a W16? Idea. And from the mountaintops, straight to Tokyo, go. Whoa, oh goodness. You just never know what tricks Baby Burlack is gonna pull out. He's got underglow on his Raptor. Are you kidding me? We're in the JDM car. I'm pretty sure that's illegal. I'm pretty sure blue is illegal, but you know what? as Burlacker always says, best of luck. I am so exhausted, so cold. All I want to do is take a fat nap and maybe a hot tub. But what a crazy, crazy day. I really want to get tracks for the Raptor. They're about $30,000 retail, but they mount straight up to the wheel hub. Then we need a flatbed and we need a diesel truck to tow it as well, so it gets a little bit more expensive. But the Aventador with tracks would be pretty epic. What do you guys think? As always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did like this one, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out. Yeah, this is not the look for you. This is not your angle.
The upside is that it won't fall again.
That's true. How you feeling, by the way?
A bit better.